Hello everyone and welcome back to a deep cleaning episode on my YouTube channel. And today I'll be cleaning my messy piled up table. And also let us all take a moment for this cute little lamp that I got from Amazon. It is really pretty. It has those seashell and starfish structure on the bottom of the lamp. The only thing that I don't like about this lamp is the bulb that we get on the top of the lamp. They didn't send it. I have to get it installed from the electrician externally, but it's a really good product. And I will also be showing you this makeup storage box that I got from Meesho recently. It is really affordable. I got it for around 200 or something. I've already opened it because it was a glass box, so I didn't want it to be in suspense कि product सही condition में आया है या नहीं. But to my surprise, it came in a really good condition. I just wanted to store few of my makeup products in it. It will look really good. And I was able, it is really compact and small, but I was able to store most of it in this. I stored my lipsticks, I stored my eyeliners, I stored my SPF face tint in it. And I think it's a really good product. But to my dismay, what happened after I cleaned everything up, after I have arranged everything, I was going to keep it in my wardrobe because बाहर मैं नहीं रखती क्योंकि मैं डेली मेकअप नहीं लगाती हूँ. एंड हाथ से गिर के ये टूट गया. देन नाउ आई एम अरेंजिंग ऑल माई परफ्यूम्स, everything that I use on daily basis. Then I cleaned my table nicely 2-3 times, and after that I arranged all the stuff that we keep on the table. And after that it was looking really clean and my mind was so fresh. This is a before and this is after. I have my dog's treat on the side and it looks really good. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you so much for watching, guys.